It's crazy how much the national market trends are so similar to what we're seeing here locally in the Tri-County area. Hi everyone, it's Ryan Cook, broker owner of HomeSmart First Class Realty. Our local real estate markets here in northern Bristol, southern Norfolk, and western Plymouth counties are similar to what we're seeing nationally. There's been so much talk of a recession, but now most experts are saying they don't believe it will be in 2020. In fact, Goldman Sachs US Outlook reports, in contrast, our new recession model suggests just a 20% probability of a recession. And according to George Ratio, senior economist at Realtor.com, housing remains a solid foundation for the US economy going into 2020. So our strong housing market is actually helping prevent a recession. And according to Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, the Mortgage Bankers Association, and National Association of Realtors, they're all projecting that more homes will be sold in 2020 than were sold in 2019. Also, these same entities are all projecting mortgage interest rates to remain very low through the rest of the year, ranging from 3.6 to 3.8%. All this has a positive impact on the housing market. Will 2020 being an election year make a difference? Since 1972, there have been 12 elections, 7 won by Republicans and 5 by Democrats. When a Republican wins office, interest rates on average drop 12 basis points or 0.12%. When a Democrat wins office, rates rise, on average 29 basis points or 0.29%. The biggest issue that the housing market is expected to see is a continued shortage of inventory levels. In fact, Realtor.com states in 2020, we expect inventory to struggle to grow and could instead reach a historic low level. As a matter of fact, Mr. Ratio is expecting sales growth in our area to drop 2.1%, while prices will continue to rise on average 0.2%. I'm actually expecting prices to rise more than 5% based on the numbers I'm seeing locally in our area. We continue to see months of inventory go down nationally. Remember, when you have lower supply and higher demand, that's when you see prices start to increase and experience bidding wars. I've already been involved in numerous bidding wars in 2020, and I'm not alone. The news isn't much better in our area when it comes to new housing starts. According to Tim Logan of the Boston Globe, Boston's long-running housing boom may soon start to run out of steam as building permits for the new housing fell by nearly a quarter in 2019. And while the numbers ticked up 6% across the entire area to the highest level since 2005, a growing number of cities and towns have thrown up roadblocks to new projects. Bottom line for buyers and sellers, we're in a very strong real estate market. Don't be so hasty to listen to all the hype about a recession. Look at the facts and what the experts are projecting. And as always, we're always here to help at HomeSmart First Class Realty. Reach out to us as we're your local community market leaders. And remember, who you work with matters, so work with someone who cares, has the heart of a teacher, and always puts you first.